everyone, this side Sonia here and today we are going to do a beautiful decoupage art. So यहाँ पे पहले मैंने लिया है मेरा ceramic base, उसके ऊपर हम use करने वाले हैं हमारा stencil and I'm going to make sure that I apply generous amount of my DIY modeling paste. Now just in case if you guys want to learn how to make this, check out our video on YouTube. I will share the link in the video description box. ये मैंने zoom करके यहाँ दिखाया है that how beautifully you can use your stencils and you can create a beautiful background around it. जब भी आप अपना stencil use करते हैं, you guys have to make sure that it is really clean. आपका stencil अगर clean होगा, आप जो भी उसके ऊपर texture अपने base के ऊपर बनाएंगे वो बहुत ही neatly आएगा. Texture work हो जाने के बाद now we are going to here use our heat gun and we have to dry this really well. And इसके बाद अब हम यहाँ पर use कर रहे हैं हमारा rice paper. अगर आपके पास राइस पेपर नहीं है तो आप डेकोपाज पेपर, डेकोपाज नैपकिन कुछ भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड जस्ट वन थिंग, मैंने सारी सप्लाईज की लिंक हमारे वीडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दी है. सो हमारा पेपर कट करने के बाद में अब मैं इसको स्टिक करूंगी विथ आर मॉड पॉज एंड यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट आइदर यू यूज अ मॉड पॉज और अ डेकोपाज ग्लू. जब भी आप अपना मॉडलिंग पेस्ट या टेक्सचर वर्क कर रहे हैं, यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू ड्राई दिस अप रियली वेल, then only move on to the next step. It is very important before using any of your next medium. So if your modeling paste or your texture work has not dried out, it is just going to ruin because you have used a different medium on it. So you have to make sure that you dry everything up really well. Now in this procedure, I really wanted to have the beautiful texture work. So I'll just zoom in the camera and I'll show you guys that how beautiful it looks like. So as you can see, the texture work is coming up really well. It looks really popped out. आपका आप डेकोपाज नैपकिन यूज कीजिए या राइस पेपर यूज कीजिए, आपका टेक्सचर वर्क बहुत अच्छे से दिखता है. So can you see the texture work here? This is looking great. And once this dries out, then we are going to sand it. सैंडिंग के लिए या आप सैंड पेपर यूज कर सकते हैं या फिर आप अपना नेल फाइलर भी यूज कर सकते हैं, बट जस्ट मेक श्योर आप जो भी टूल यूज कर रहे हैं, बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल विद दैट. एक्स्ट्रा निकाल लेने के बाद अब हम यहाँ पर यूज करेंगे हमारा एयर ड्राई क्ले. एंड वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, जब भी आप अपना एयर ड्राई क्ले यूज करते हैं, यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट आपका हाथ पूरा अच्छे से ड्राई हो, क्लीन हो. एंड जो भी आप पैकेट यूज कर रहे हैं, इफ आफ्टर ईच यूज यू हैव टू सील एंड पैक योर पैकेट्स, अदरवाइज आपका पूरा क्ले वेस्ट हो जाएगा. So here you can see me making a beautiful Ganesha face. And yes, आपने starting में picture देखा होगा and do check out all our remaining pictures at the end also. So here on this beautiful panel we are going to make a clay Ganesha. As the Ganpati is coming up, we thought of doing some DIY decorations. So यहाँ पे मैं अपना क्ले का दूसरा पीस अटैच कर रही हूँ. एंड while I was doing this, I just realized that I should draw it on my base so that it is easier for me to stick it on my layout and I will know where exactly I have to do it. So first I am going to stick up my face with my Mod Podge or my decoupage glue. Whatever the supplies I'm using, I have listed down the everything on the video description box. You guys can check that. ये हो जाने के बाद में अब हम इसको अच्छे से स्टिक कर देंगे. You can use just a bit of water to smoothen out the surfaces and this looks absolutely gorgeous. So like I mentioned earlier also, I'm just going to trace out the outline so that I know where I have to paint. Now for the painting, I would highly recommend to use your chalk paints. And acrylic paint doesn't look really good. Like, I'm not a big fan of acrylic paints whenever it comes to my decoupage and mixed media art. So I'm suggesting chalk paints, and once I'm done with the tracing part, this is how it looks like. And once I am done with this, I'm super happy and now it's time to paint it. So I have already picked a few of the shades which I really wanted, and I'm going to paint my Ganesha with this. So first I'm going to start with the painting work on the face, and then I'll start with the detailing and the other colors and the shades in the panel. So here my almost the painting part is done. I'm just adding a bit of detailing here and there, and it looks absolutely gorgeous and amazing. This has turned out to be really, really beautiful. Now just adding my metallic waxes to add a metallic touch to it, and this really completes my panel. So now if you don't have a metallic wax, you can always use your chalk paints, and you can use your fingertip technique, and you can use and add shimmer to your projects. Now, this is one of the easiest way of making your DIY home decor, DIY Ganesha art, DIY wall frames. And trust me, you can repeat the same techniques for your different art forms and your different home decor items. So once I'm done with this off camera, I did 2 coats of varnish, and this project has turned out so, so, so gorgeous. Now finally I'm using my paintbrush to get those holes which was already there, and I'm just finishing this up with my jute ribbon. And if you guys want, you can use any of your other ribbons. And with this, my tutorial is done. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Do let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you so, so, so much for watching, guys. Take care and bye bye.